Welcome to drbitrust.com. I am Dr. Hemant Kumar. What are cholesterol ratios? As we discussed in the previous video about lipid panel or lipid profile test, total cholesterol, low density lipoprotein or LDL or bad cholesterol, HDL, high density lipoprotein or good cholesterol, and triglyceride. These are measured in a lipid profile. Now, we also know that increased levels of lipids, especially cholesterol and triglycerides, are related to increased risk of heart disease and diseases like stroke. So, doctors compute some other ratios between the various types of lipids to gain additional insights into the risk of a person's development of heart disease or brain disease, stroke. What are these ratios? So one of the first things that are calculated is non-HDL cholesterol. What is non-HDL cholesterol? NHDL is non-high density lipoprotein or non-HDL cholesterol. Total cholesterol, which is measured as part of the lipid panel, computes the cholesterol which is contained in all the different types of lipoproteins. Low density lipoprotein LDL, high density lipoprotein LDL, very low density lipoprotein VLDL, and others. What are lipoproteins? Lipoproteins are molecules which contain fats like cholesterol and triglycerides within a core. Outside, a layer of protein is formed because the fats are not soluble in water, and water is a large constituent of the blood. So for easy transportation of these various types of lipids in the body, lipoprotein molecules are formed and they vary in their density, and on their density they are classified as low density, high density, very low density, etc. Now, the lower the density of a lipoprotein molecule, the higher the chances that it will deposit excessive cholesterol within the arteries and lead to atherosclerosis or formation of plaque within the arteries and increase the risk of heart disease or diseases like stroke. So what doctors do is that HDL has been found to be protective for heart health, heavy density lipoprotein, because it mops up all the excess cholesterol within the arteries and takes it back to the liver. So what doctors do is that they will compute all the different types of lipoproteins in the blood minus the high density lipoprotein or HDL, and therefore they try to figure out that HDL is protective. Let us subtract the protective effect from all the rest of the types of cholesterol and see how much that is. So a non-HDL cholesterol will measure all the, you may say, bad types of cholesterol within the body. That is the significance of non-HDL cholesterol. Ideal levels of non-HDL cholesterol are 130 milligrams per deciliter or less for an adult. What is cholesterol to HDL ratio? One of the things that doctors compute is the ratio of the total cholesterol found in different types of lipoprotein molecules and divide it by HDL or the good cholesterol. So let's say your total cholesterol is 200 and your HDL or the good cholesterol is 50. So 200 divided by 50 would be 4. So your cholesterol HDL ratio would be 4. Generally, the lower this ratio is, that is, lesser the cholesterol, higher the HDL, the better it is. Ideal level of cholesterol to HDL is a ratio of 3.5. Up to 5, a ratio of up to 5 is acceptable. It would be better if it is closer to 3.5. But anything above 5 would significantly increase the risk of heart disease and diseases like stroke, because again, good cholesterol has a protective effect. Rest of the total cholesterol has a bad effect, increases the risk of heart disease. So higher this number is, more the total cholesterol is, less the good cholesterol is, the higher the risk. So ideally you would want to keep this ratio around 3.5 to 4. 5 is probably acceptable if you do not have other risk factors like poorly controlled diabetes and obesity and family history of heart disease, etc. So try and keep this ratio on this side of 5, ideally around 3.5 to 4. What is LDL HDL ratio? Now LDL, as we know, is generally known as bad cholesterol because it leads to deposition of cholesterol within the arteries, formation of plaque. HDL has a protective effect because it takes out all that excess cholesterol, takes it back to the liver. So a ratio between the bad and the good is taken. And doctors are finding out in research that the LDL HDL ratio, or the ratio of the bad to the good cholesterol, may independently help in assessment of the risk of heart disease or stroke in an individual. Generally this ratio is around 2, and the worse this ratio is, the higher the bad cholesterol is and the lower the good cholesterol is, the higher the risk of heart disease would be. So this is about the various types of ratios that are computed in a lipid panel. Hope you found this video useful. For more such videos, please log on to drvitrust.com. Thanks for watching.